Could we be on the verge of a future where a single therapy permanently changes our body's relationship with weight and blood sugar? What if the next revolution in treating obesity and type 2 diabetes isn't a pill, but a tweak to our very DNA? Before we dive into this groundbreaking development, if you want to stay on top of everything happening in US politics and the science shaping our future, hit that subscribe button right now and leave a like. It really helps this channel grow. The world of medicine is abuzz today with news that the first human trial for GLP-1 gene therapy has officially received the green light. This is a monumental step, moving from promising lab research to direct human application, and it has the potential to be truly transformative. For context, GLP-1 medications have already revolutionized the treatment landscape for obesity and type 2 diabetes. Drugs like Ozempic, Wegovy, and Mounjaro have moved beyond being just diabetes drugs and are now widely recognized for their significant efficacy in helping people achieve substantial weight loss and improve metabolic health. Dr. Harith Rajagopalan, a leading figure in this field, stated that GLP-1 medicines have changed what is possible in obesity and type 2 diabetes. He's absolutely right. They've offered hope and tangible results to millions struggling with these chronic conditions that are deeply intertwined with cardiovascular health, mobility, and overall quality of life. But what exactly is GLP-1 gene therapy? Instead of administering a drug that mimics the GLP-1 hormone, gene therapy aims to deliver instructions to our own cells, essentially reprogramming them to produce more of this crucial hormone naturally and continuously. Imagine a scenario where your body is constantly signaling fullness, improving insulin sensitivity, and regulating blood sugar without the need for daily or weekly injections. The potential for a long-term, potentially permanent solution is immense. This is not just an incremental improvement, it's a paradigm shift. The initial trials will focus on safety and efficacy, assessing how the therapy is tolerated by participants and whether it achieves the desired metabolic effects. This is a critical phase, as gene therapy, while incredibly promising, also carries inherent risks and complexities that need to be meticulously understood and managed. So, what does this mean for us? For individuals suffering from obesity and type 2 diabetes, this could represent a new horizon of treatment, one that offers lasting relief and improved health outcomes. It could mean fewer daily medications, less reliance on lifestyle interventions that can be challenging to maintain long-term, and a significant reduction in the debilitating health complications associated with these conditions. Think about the potential impact on healthcare systems, reducing the burden of chronic disease management. However, this is where the ethical and societal implications become paramount, especially in the context of US politics and policy. Who will have access to this cutting-edge, potentially life-altering therapy? Will it be prohibitively expensive, creating a new divide between those who can afford genetic enhancement and those who cannot? This raises serious questions about equity and accessibility in healthcare. Furthermore, we need to consider the long-term, unforeseen consequences of altering human genetics. While the goal is therapeutic, the technology itself opens the door to discussions about enhancement versus treatment. What are the boundaries? How do we regulate this powerful technology to ensure it is used for good and not for unforeseen, potentially harmful purposes? The regulatory bodies, like the FDA, will be under immense pressure to navigate this complex terrain. They'll need to balance the potential benefits with the inherent risks, ensuring that public safety is the absolute priority. Political discourse will inevitably follow, with debates about funding for research, ethical guidelines, and the very definition of health and disease. Will this therapy be seen as a medical necessity, or will it fall into a gray area of elective enhancement? These are not hypothetical questions, they are discussions we need to have now, as this technology moves from the lab into the clinic. The implications stretch far beyond the individual patient, touching on societal values, economic disparities, and our fundamental understanding of human biology. It's a story that will unfold over years, with profound implications for public health and policy. So, what do you think about the first human GLP-1 gene therapy trial getting the green light? Is this the medical miracle we've been waiting for, or are the ethical concerns too significant to ignore? Drop your opinion in the comments below. I read every single one. The future of medicine is being written, and it's a narrative we all need to follow. We'll be keeping a close eye on this developing story and bringing you the latest insights and analysis. Stay informed.